In this video, we will review some of the reports that have been created within Buyout thus far. I'm going to click on the Reports tab of the ribbon. As you can see, there are 4 reports at the moment. These are based on the same reports that exist in the 1.0 version of Buyout, which has a total of 6 reports. So there are 2 additional reports that will be added to this menu, but also I'll note that these are hard-coded reports, again based on the report designs in the legacy product. The plans going forward are to expand on this, allowing more customization and use of other reporting tools directly from within Buyout, so that you're not limited to the set of hard-coded reports that you're about to see here. I'll just step through each one of these very briefly. Quote group status. Again, it's going to default to the Buyout package that is currently open on the screen, and if there isn't one, then you would need to select one. Here we can click Preview, for example, and what we see here is a summary for the Buyout package, listing out each of the quote groups that exist within the Buyout package now, and then beneath each Buyout package, each one of the quotes that makes up that Buyout package and its status and so forth. So again, the layout and design of this report, cosmetically and everything, is based very much on the 1.0 version of the software, just to maintain feature parity with that version. Okay, close out of that. And likewise, the item report, same thing, based on the legacy version of the report. And this is giving me a list of all of the items within the Buyout package and the quote group that they are currently assigned to. Vendor phone list is pulling in just a list of all the vendors that have been selected so far, and their phone, fax, and email information. And commitment list, I don't think it's going to give me anything at the moment because we do not have anything committed yet, so I probably won't receive anything. Oh, maybe we do. Okay, actually it's showing me each one of the quotes, and whether there's probably an issue in that this report should only show quotes that have been selected. So I'm not quite sure why I'm getting actually all of these listed out here. What we should see is only those that are selected, and then indicating whether they're committed yet or not, and their commitment ID. So we'll need to go back and review that report design. But the intent of this report is to show me, again, only the list of quotes that have been selected or committed. So those are representing the purchase orders we're going to write or have written, and then indicating whether they've been committed yet or not. So that's the purpose of that report. In each one of these cases, though, I'll note you do have some limited options in terms of adjusting the page setup, as far as portrait, landscape, margin, things like that can certainly be adjusted. Printer settings, same way. You have the standard set of options relative to your printer and whatnot. Okay, so that is a very quick review of the set of reports, and I will also note that we're very interested in knowing about report designs that you feel may be of value, that folks would get benefit from or need in their Buyout process. I would be happy to consider those ideas as standard reports on the menu.